Hi everyone. I know I've got no makeup on, I'm just out of the shower, I've washed my hair, scrubbed my face, scrubbed my skin. I feel as fresh as a new baby, but I refuse to put makeup on today because I'm only studying and I've broke out in eczema over the Christmas period. So yeah, so while I'm filming this, it is the 30th? Yes, the 30th. So it's just a quick review on something I got. I happen to want a advent calendar, but I really wasn't wanting to spend the money on it. It sounds awful, but I just wasn't doing it. I'm sorry. I didn't think any of them were really that good again this year. I think there was one, but there was extortionate, and I've got a wedding coming up in literally 3-4 months time. I haven't got the cost for that. So instead what I did is, there was a makeup palette that I really wanted, and well, there was actually a choice of two from Vivi, and I wasn't sure what one I wanted to buy, and this is what sunk my decision. I was like, yeah, I'm going to get that. So what I did is I bought the Cult Beauty makeup box, Unwrap makeup box, because it actually had one of the palettes in it. So this was £50, I believe. It came with a cover, sleeve, a booklet, and the Cult Beauty box, which I quite like because they're really quite sturdy boxes, and I use them to put some of my makeup in the drawers. I like to reuse things. So yeah, here we go. Oh, and something's failed. Bear with me. So yeah, something's failed there, and I'm going to show you what's in it. It's just a quick video. Sorry, it's been such a while since I've done makeup. We've had the flat. We ended up a couple months ago getting a puppy, which if you watch on Instagram, she has her own Instagram, which is Cora the Scotty Schnauzer, and she's there, so you can have a nosy at her. She's 7 months and she's keeping us on our toes. Anyway, quick one. So it's Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution, and it is in, of course, I believe it's Pillow Talk, and it's a tiny one. So my mother wants it. So yeah, there you go. I'm not going to open it, there's no point. It is a tester size. I already have the full size one. I don't need to open it, Mum can get it. Another thing that I wanted, because I was running low, was actually brow setter. So it's a 24-hour Benefit brow setter. You can't go wrong with it, to be fair. I just think Benefit, with regards to their makeup, they need to spend a bit more time updating their brand. Then we've got the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Colour, and I'm wanting to get more into these kind of caviar sticks, the sticks for eye colour, because while I've got hundreds of palettes to show you, I think they're a good idea for a base. There we go, I'm dropping stuff again. This is not where I'm usually going to be filming, it'll be over here, but the room's a mess because it's just after Christmas and I haven't got stuff done. So yep, there we go. If it shows you, yeah, it's a nice colour. It comes in the colour Strike a Rose. So yeah, I will put that to good use. Then we've got here again another one. It is the Nude Sticks mascara, and it's splash proof. So I'm quite chuffed with that, to be fair, because I got a deal on, I believe it was Maybelline. I've been using Maybelline's mascara. They were doing a deal. I needed a mascara. Went to get the deal. Turned out it didn't include the waterproof and the Movement It Boost. It was just like, oh, just take it. Just take it. What's the difference? And you're like, deep set eyes. So, yep, really quite chuffed with that. And then another reason I bought the box, because I was running low, Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer. And it's in the original. So yeah, I thought this box really suited me. Every time I looked at other boxes, I just wasn't amused, to tell you the truth. So yep, we've got the primer here, and then we get to the palette. Now I've actually got some of her actual skincare range. Get that in a minute. So yeah, I quite like the packaging. I've got her bronzer, her lipstick, and I think there's something else, but I haven't got a palette because it was between this, which is the original, it's the Essential palette, and then there's the Muse palette, which I was really not sure if I wanted, because I liked the purple in it, but I wasn't sure if, because I've got that many purples that I haven't used yet. So I thought, do you know what, let's get a good bronze palette, and that's really what it is. So it was between this palette and I believe the Natasha Denona Glam palette. And I've got some of the small ones of the Natasha Denona, but not the actual big palettes itself. I think that'll be eventually something I'll buy once I figure out what I want. Yeah, so this is quite a good box. It had everything that I needed in it. So I'll be using these now. I'm just making sure everything, yeah, that's it. So that's all of it. So the palette itself is worth over £50. I think it's on sale now at 45. So even then, if it's on sale for 45, I still made quite the difference compared to buying an actual advent box. I'm not against them, I'm just starting to see a bit of a shift when it comes to my spending of money. Maybe it's because I've bought this place. But I just don't want to be spending loads and loads of money on things that are going to sit there. I actually have up the road in my mum's house a set of 3 plastic drawers which has all the new makeup I have to show you, and the problem is that I haven't had the chance this year at all, so I've had to start using some of the palettes just purely because I don't want them, I want to get the chance to use them. So I might do a video talking to you about the palettes I've used that I haven't shown you and giving you a rough feeling of what they're like. So if you like that, let me know. So if you've enjoyed this video, sorry for the shakiness, I just want to get this video out there, say hi to you. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. And I hope you're all well. You can find me on YouTube, obviously, Instagram, and I'm on Facebook but I never use it. So yeah, Instagram's the best one. And I've started a TikTok but I haven't actually used the TikTok option yet. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, just take care and I'll see you in the new year. Bye.